Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Father, good morning, my son. How are you today?
Son, good morning, Dad. I'm well, thanks. How are you?
Father, I'm fine too, thanks. Remember we planned a fishing trip on the lake this weekend?
Son, yes, Dad, I'm very excited about this trip. Have you prepared all the equipment?
Father, yes, I checked all the tools and equipment, and collected them in the box. We have the fishing rods, food boxes, drinks, and of course, the fishing boat ready too.
Son, great. Are we going to the same place we went last year?
Father, yes, we will go to the same lake. The weather is looking great, and the forecast is that we're going to have a great time there. Have you prepared quests for hunting?
Son, yes, I have some questions I want to ask. Could you please teach me how to handle fish after catching them?
Father, of course, I will teach you how to remove the spines and clean the fish after catching. This will be a good experience for you. Is there anything else you want to know before you leave?
Son, I don't have any more questions yet, but I'm really excited to go. Thank you, Dad.
Father, you're welcome, my son. We will have a great time together at the lake enjoying fishing and conversations. Let's start preparing and be ready to go on Friday.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.